Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today it is a Stitch Fix day. Now I have opened the box because I wanted to do my thumbnail with the bundle, but I haven't looked at anything else. Stitch Fix, for those of you that do not know, it is a clothing styling subscription. It costs you £10 per month. That is your, what they call a styling fee. If you choose to buy anything, that £10 will be deducted. However, if you do not buy anything, you will lose out on that £10. So I'm going to just dive straight in. I didn't ask for anything in particular. Just let my stylist pick whatever. I am hoping for some spring pieces now. I really feel like winter is done and done. I don't need any more winter clothing. So I'm looking forward to moving into spring items. So in your box you will receive some paperwork. We'll go through that later. Before you used to get a plastic bag to return any items back to Stitch Fix. You don't now, so keep your box. If you return anything, pop the items back in the box and then you get a sticker to stick on the box and take it to your local drop-off and they will send it back for you. So here is the bundle. So we have some colour there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first piece I see is silk. I'm not a lover of silk, I'll be honest. This is very pretty, to be fair. It's super cool. I think it's like an olive green. It's very pretty. It's very gorgeous. I mean, it's just a shirt type material. It's very silky, very soft. I like it, but it's not something that I would find myself keeping. I hate ironing, and I can just imagine you would have to do a lot of ironing with this. I'm just going to check the colour because I feel like it's in like an olive green sort of type colour. No, it doesn't actually say. It doesn't say the colour. It will say in the invoice though. So that's the first piece. For me, not something that I would personally wear, but I do like it. Then we have a jumper. This is leopard print, cheetah print. It's quite a nice thin jumper, so you possibly get away with it kind of this time of year. Yeah, it's quite nice. Round neck, super basic. Don't know what else to really kind of say about it. It's all right. Do I love it? Probably not, but it's all right. Next piece we have is a t-shirt. This is looks like a V-neck t-shirt. It's quite thin material. I mean, yeah, again, it's all right. I'm not uber excited by the 3 items that we've so far looked at. Yeah, okay. Right, then we have navy blue. This feels very heavy, whatever this is. Okay, so this is a button-down dress. It's quite a long one. Quite, I don't know. I find this quite frumpy. I don't even know how you'd be able to dress this up, and it's very heavy, so very quite wintry. It is like ribbed material, short sleeved. The buttons are workable, and it also has a tie around the middle. I mean, it's okay. It's not something that I would go for. I'm not that keen on navy blue clothing. Right, okay, then the last item is, again, very heavy. Okay, so these look like a pair of similar sort of like jogging pants. They've got pockets here. We have a double stripe on the side there. They are a dark blue. Again, I'm not that much of a lover of blue. And the leg, it seems to be quite a wide leg as well on these. Right, okay, I'm not bowled over by this box, I'll be honest. I don't know what I expect, but for me, it's boring. Absolutely boring. I know I'm a woman in my 50s, but wow, I just like, I'm not excited by this at all. I mean, I'm going to try it on because that is part of the video and see, you know, what it looks like. But just looking at that, I'm actually not tempted to want to keep anything at the moment. Obviously, try-ons can be different. So I will try, obviously, the stuff on, see how we get on. And then, obviously, I'll make my decision after the try-on. So I'll be back shortly with the first outfit. Okay, so I have done the try-on part of the video. I've got some sort of hit and misses. Okay. Why I have done the try-on, I will leave the video here for you to have a look, and I'll also tell you the prices and the branding from the paperwork that you will receive in your Stitch Fix. So quickly, for those of you who do not know, you get a little styling letter from your stylist, and these are little cards that just show you how to style the pieces. Inside here, you will also receive your invoice, and it will also tell you how to return the box of items that you do not want to keep. If you fancy giving Stitch Fix a go for yourself, I'll leave my link down below. And we both will receive £15 in credit, so it's a win-win situation. So before I go on to the video, if you haven't already, then please enter the April Jeffree Star mirror giveaway. I'll leave a picture up here somewhere so you can see what you're going to win. And I'll also link the video down below for you. And you can just hit that link and it shows you, or it tells you kind of how to enter the giveaway. I feel like I can't talk today. Okay, so as you can see from the video, the first item I tried on was the blue ribbed dress. I felt this was very comfortable. It's very heavy. You may get away with it this time of year for, I don't know, a few weeks, a month and a half maybe. I did like it. I like the quality of it. I like the fit of it. It's very stretchy. Sorry about the gardener, the noise out the front there. Yeah, it's very stretchy, very comfortable to wear. So, let me just tell you who it's by, and so it's called an Emma jersey. It's a belted rib dress. The colour is navy. The size is 16, and this will cost you £45. Or, and the brand is Mouvette, which I didn't think, you know, for a dress, it's not that bad. The quality is definitely there. I do like it. Do I need another dress? Do I love it? No, I don't. But I liked it. I liked it on. Right, second outfit I tried on for you was the shirt. What did you guys think of this? I quite like this. I liked it with the buttons undone a little bit. Probably wear maybe like a vest under it. I quite like the colour. I love the feel of it. This is pocket front satin top. This is by Warehouse. The colour's tan, the size is 16, and this will be £36, which I don't think is that bad actually. I would never have thought that colour was tan because I honestly think it looks like a green, like an olive green, but what do I know. So yeah, for £36, it's nice. This is not something that I gravitate towards. I wouldn't have anywhere to really wear this, unfortunately. I did feel like nice in it. I felt quite posh, quite dressed up in it. I do like it, and I actually do think it is worth £36. Then the next top we tried was the jumper. This is by Warehouse again. This is the animal print crew jumper. The colour is brown. The size is 16. Cost is £36. So I quite like this on. It's thin material. I thought the fit was lovely. Do I need any more animal print? Probably not. But yeah, I quite liked it on. It feels comfortable. This time of year, probably get away with it. So yeah, that's a possibility actually. I do quite like that, and I liked it on. Then next we had the t-shirt. This is by All Saints. It's the Emmeline Budon tee. The colour is dark grey, the size is large, and the cost is £28. I mean, it's okay, but for £28, I think I'd like a little bit more something going on. Quality is nice. It's quite a thin material, so probably sort of springtime. It's my colour, my design. I do really like it. It fit really comfortable. And as you guys know, I do like V-neck t-shirts and tops. So yeah, quite like that. Thought it was maybe a contender. It's alright, I quite like it. It's got quite like, sort of like a distressy kind of look about it. If you can see the sleeves, just literally look like they've just been cut off. There's been no like hemming or anything on them. So it just kind of sort of remind me of like that distressed look. So I did like that. Okay, and then with that, I paired it with the trouser. These are they're by Editor's Cut. They are called the Lola Ponte trainer trouser. The colour is navy, the size is 18, and these were £45. I quite like these on. They were very comfortable, but again, so very heavy that this to me would be like a winter piece. I probably would have preferred them in black. I'm not a lover of navy, unfortunately. It's not my thing. But the quality is definitely there. They're very heavy. They feel lovely on, and I think the size was like spot on. So yeah, I do like them. I like them quite a lot. So the whole picks come to £190. If you buy all 5, you get 20% discount, which would be £38. That would take it down to £152, then take off your £10 styling fee. So the whole box on this occasion was £142, which actually I didn't think was massively too bad. So that's Stitch Fix over for this month. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, leave your comments, your views, your points of view down below. I could do with it. I'm the only adult in the house. I'm going bloody stir crazy. So give me them comments just for me to have something to do and actually somebody to talk to, even if it is just through social messaging or whatever. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until we speak again, please stay safe. Take care of yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.